everyone, today we are back with another video with a new gadget. Today we are just going to unbox this SQ11 Mini DV camera with the night vision. So this is the model number of the camera, SQ11. Let's unbox the device. So this is the content accessories which is coming inside the box. The main thing is the camera. So this is the main device. This is a mini camera which just comes with the clip or accessories. You can use this clip to fix this camera anywhere. This is another clip, and this is the USB with the cable function if you want to connect with the TV. And that's the manual, which is the main thing which will guide you how to use this camera, SQ11. We already read this one. So this is the main camera. It already comes with the night vision. As you guys can see here, it's have a 12 megapixel camera which is full HD, and micro SD card slot which can support up to 64 GB, and micro mini HDMI which you can use for the charging. And if you have a micro HDMI, you can connect with the TV also, and you can use this cable. This one have a microphone which can easily record, and this camera comes with the night vision, so that the best thing, you can record everything in the night, like in a dark area you can record clearly because it's already comes with a built-in night vision. So according to the manual, you just need to charge this camera like a 2 hours, and once you charge the camera, it can give you around 2 to 3 hours battery backup, and you can record. You can fix this accessories like this. Now it's fixed. You can fix this camera anywhere. You can clip it, and if you want to record secretly someone, you can use this camera. If you want to monitor your baby, or if you want to monitor your maid and what's happening inside your house, you can use this camera. So let's turn on the camera and see the video. How is it? So this is the main power button. You just need to press this one. Once you see the light here, the mode button, first one, if you will press, it will start taking the picture, and once you press 2 times, it will start taking the video. You just need to insert the memory card. We will just insert the memory card, and let's see the result of this one. So you guys see the video quality of this camera. It's quite good. You can use this one for if you are traveling somewhere, even if you're inside your house, you can use for the both purpose. So guys, if you like this video, please like and share, and if you have any kind of questions, you can ask in a comment. And if you want to buy this product in UAE or in Pakistan, the link is inside the description. You can check it. Thank you very much. We will back with another video very soon. Thank you.